February.
You do that to me.
No, I don't. I don't do anything like that. All right, so I'm recording this way and I'm recording another way. So if y'all can see if you can find me on Skype, you should be able to join the meeting and you should be able to see it. Y'all tell me what y'all come up with. It'd be nice to know. I'm getting ready to give y'all a problem as soon as I get rid of this. Okay, here we go. First problem. Oops, that's not it. I did have it. Where is it? Can you see it?
Oh, I'm gonna talk about that.
Oh.
This is my thing.
Okay. All right. Thanks for getting my hopes up. Appreciate it. There we go. All right, y'all keep trying. Let me know if you get it added. And y'all do this problem after I do this, so I can get rid of the thing in the middle.
What's the sign-in address again?
Should be, well, okay, y'all all have Skype for Business with your 2013, so you need to use your Tri-County Tech email address. So it'd be jmartin@tctc.edu or whatever and your sign-in will be your same thing that you sign in with. And it should work. And then you need to look for me, H. McClure, and then once you add me, you should be able to join the meeting. So, and those of you that don't care and don't want to follow along, then you do this problem. Losers. There it is. I just want to see if it's working, which I think it is, but there you go. Tell me if y'all are able to log in with your TCTC.
No.
What did it say?
We can't sign in and check the department.
Okay,
I did.
you were able to get on? You were? Okay, then you probably need to call 1779, 646-1779, because something's not right.
I can't even log into my account.
Then there's something wrong. You need to find out. I don't know. Call that 646-1779 and they'll fix it. All right, now once you're in, do find or call up H. McClure and see if you can add me. And if you add me, you should be able to log on to the meeting, and then you should be able to see what I'm doing on the board on your phone. And while y'all are doing that, I'm going to write down the problem. Oop, I heard something.
Yeah, did you?
What?
Yeah, did you on there?
Yeah. Should be a picture of that. Huh? No, not at tctc.com, edu. At tctc.edu. And see, I also have this at my house and my office. So if you ever need to do a problem, I think I can do this. I should. Just go ahead and hit it. HMCC. I got 2 C's in there. Good. There it is. All right, now, see if, go to, see if you can go to the meeting, I don't know, join the meeting. beeping, I don't know. What was that? That may be it. Nothing's popped up yet. Just, fiddle with it to see if you can go to meeting. Let me see let me go to my Skype page. Well, yes, I am. Hold on. I'm getting there. Hold on. There I is. But you can add. Go ahead, try it. What? Hold on, let me see if I need to, let's see. Skype, in meeting, Skype meeting options. Anyone can, huh? Where's that? Where? Where does it say do not disturb? Ooh. Well, I need to fix that. How do I fix that? Well, this is important. This is for y'all. This ain't for me. What? No, that's might be up here. Invite more people. No. Well, I might do that next. I'm trying to find the setting where I can say open participant list. Where's the thing that says okay, let me get out of this. Stop recording. Let me get out. Yes. Now, I'm going to get on here. All right, I'm available. Dadgum. Okay. All right, let me try to start a meeting again. Use Skype for business. Okay. Meeting entry. Where was the invite? Right here? Invite by name or phone number. I'm trying to figure this out, people. It should be open. Y'all should be. Oh, maybe I have to add y'all. Maybe that's it. Okay, so I need to add y'all. How do I add y'all? Add to contacts. Add to contacts. Add to contacts. Who else? Anybody else? Did I get everybody? Sorry, I got everybody. You ain't on there. Waiting on you. Now that I added y'all, can you, well, let me start a meeting and see what happens. I'm still waiting. Meet now. Okay. Hmm?
You can't really see it up there.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, y'all are doing something.
Somebody's calling you.
There she is.
Don't ignore.
Okay,
Options.
options. Answer with audio. Okay, that's good. That's good. Get off. Close it up.
Does it put your picture on there? Yeah. Your tri-county picture? Yeah.
Now, there y'all are. Now I can add you. I can add you.
Alright, hold on.
Well, why isn't it? I don't know who I just added. Okay. Okay, now. Can y'all see what's going on? Wait a minute, hold on, let me fix something else. Present desktop. Present. Okay. Start recording. Okay, can y'all see what's going on? Well, those three people, the three people that I added, keep playing with it and see if you can see it. You should be able, what you should be able to see on your phone is me doing this, writing on the boards and stuff. That's supposed to be what you should be able to see. But I'm recording it anyway, so I'll have it on YouTube no matter what. Can y'all see anything? You can? Good for you. So I have to add y'all. I haven't on one that added 3 people. I added you, Miss Story, and Miss Telford. Or
Mine's the one that's not working.
okay.
I had to email mine.
All right, let me see if I can add you without. I don't know if I can do this or not. We're going to spend the whole class period playing with Skype. But that's okay. As long as somebody don't bitch about it. Let's see. Add. No, I can't go there and add.
Do we have to do, we went to your missed call log and added
I
them.
know, but I can't. Can I go there from here while I'm in a meeting?
You shrunk it. You shrunk your call log.
Where is it?
Okay.
Oh, there it is. Thank you. All right, so who I got to add?
Hold on.
Well, you still ain't on there.
When you sign up for it. You have to call it. Right there.
Miss Burton? Yeah, I think I added you. I got to right click on you. Add to contact list. Yeah, I added you. I'll show you. Hold on. Add. See, you're in here. Telford, Lowy, Story, and Burton.
Okay. I did download it, so what do I gotta create an account? No, you don't.
You got to log on to it.
The Skype business. Log on to Skype.
Yeah, using your
It's not an app.
J Martin.
But you don't, it's not.
Yeah, you got to log on. Once you get it on there, log on as J Martin. What is your TCTC? J Martin what?
This is it's M-A-R-T-I and 44.
Okay,
It's
then,
Skype business. You type in Skype business.
yeah, then you need to type that in and do your password here at Tri-County Tech, and it should log you on. Now, how did you get to the meeting?
I had a call. It's a conference call.
Okay,
You clicked on it and then,
Alright.
it just like went to the video.
okay. Did y'all hear her? Okay.
Like when he, like.
This is not right.
You should be able to log on. Sign in.
I don't have a,
Yeah, you do.
this is on the app. I don't have a,
You're automatically.
okay.
You're automatically when you sign. So is this do your TCTC account? And then it'll ask for your password.
It said we didn't recognize.
Is that Skype for Business?
No, I don't know what that is.
Okay, go to the App Store and pull up
Okay.
Skype for Business.
Oh.
Yeah, now install that. And you should be able to log in on that using your TCTC. Ms. Telford, were you able to get in?
No, your name says do not disturb his name. Yeah. So you're unavailable or offline.
It's because.
Oh, because I haven't added you. Yeah, I did.
Yours is gonna say do not disturb because you're in the conference call. Skype does the same thing. You're in a conference call with her, not us. Yeah, there's two people.
So I got to get out again? Okay.
You have to add people to the conference call.
Okay.
Before you start recording.
Okay, so I'm going to stop recording.
Participants, and then I think somebody logged off.
And I just got to wait till everybody, y'all are losers. Okay, who else let me go ahead and add everybody. So I've added everybody except for, okay, well, you're a loser. You got to fix yours. Okay, I'll wait for everybody else to get logged on. Now, right now, let me find out how many I have. Where is my groups? There we go. Right now, I have Miss Burton, Miss Lowy, Miss Story, and Miss Telford.
Hold on, she's almost.
Okay, and you need to log on. Go ahead. Did you signed in as J. Martin? Okay.
Ew, why'd they put these pictures on there?
Don't worry about it.
This is from 2007.
Okay, so are you on there now? Let me go back to status.
Search a directory.
I don't know how to do it yet. Hold on, I got to find all those names. So, where is the? I can't find the where I was a while ago. There it is. I'm trying to find you now. I don't see your name.
Who's you?
Okay, add me.
Oh.
Or you might want to try to call me. I don't know why your name's not popping up. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna hit. What'd you do?
Ended the call. Should I have left
There
it?
you are. Okay. And I'm gonna put add to contacts. All right, who else am I waiting on?
Working on it.
Okay. And this is just something I want to try. And y'all are small enough to where we can try it. There's Miss Dawson. Okay, just end the call and it should pop up. It should. There we go. And then I'll add you. Anybody else? Hi. Yeah. Well, when y'all get a chance to, now, start a meeting.
You could add you.
I just added you. And that's okay. Now, that hurts. Now I'm going to add everybody, which, okay. I got to add, can I just go through, I have to do every one? I don't know if I can or not. Who's next? I don't know who I... Okay, you're gonna have to turn your thing down. We gotta see if I got everybody in here. Okay. Hit mute or something. There we go. Okay, so far there's 3 in here. Anybody else? I don't know. Hold on.
So you're gonna have to do this whole class every time?
Well, if somebody lets me know, this is not, I'm trying to see if y'all can add. That's what I'm trying to see. And it looks like you can, but right now, okay, I'm adding Miss Loey. I'm seeing how many. Just for right now, accept it when and put it on mute or something. There's Miss Burton.
I think somebody's phone is taking
Yeah, well, I turned mine on mute. Right now, all right, Miss Dawson, I'm adding you. Is everybody on there now? There, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who's left? Miss Story, Miss Loey, Martin, Miss Burton. Who else? Okay, now I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do this. No, I got to do this. I got to do this, and then I got to do this. Okay, and then I got to do this and start recording. Okay, now at this point, oops, sorry. Now, on your phone, right now, you should be able to see everything I'm doing. Hold on. Hold on a second. Something happened. There. Okay. Now let me turn on. I'm gonna turn on my. What? What is it?
I see her face. It told me that my image to connectivity issue. That's fine.
Okay, you're gonna have to turn y'all's down. Turn them down. Turn them down. All right, now watch your phone.
She just hung up by accident.
2.
Okay, now your audio is still on.
Now, how does that look? Is it showing up? Oh, how about yours? Is it still showing up? It's still showing up? Okay, I'm going to cut the microphone off because y'all can't. You can do this when you're at home. You can have it up. Hold on. Well, mine won't come up. Hold on. No, I don't need the video. Okay, hold on. I'm about there. I turned my mic off so y'all won't be biofeedbacking. There. Now, those of you that are participating or can, you should be able to see me write a 5 here. And that will be 3 and 25, or not 25, 1, 15, And y'all should be able to follow along. 25, thank you. And then 3, and there'll be a 1, a 5, and a 25, and 5, 1, 1, 5, and then 5, 1, 1, 1. Can y'all see it? I know Miss Story is seeing it, but hopefully, y'all not seeing it? Thanks. Thanks for trying. I can't see it.
She hung up by accident.
It said,
She's never used Skype before, so she
I never
didn't know
used
the
Skype
red
before.
thing was hanging on.
Why mine black? I can see like that, but I can, if I do that right there, it'll show up. It's going to move that right there. Did I reach that video?
Well, let me hit it on yours.
No, that's your video.
Okay, so I'm turning mine.
That's your
Said
video.
that if
Yeah,
I
you don't need it.
Okay, now, when I turn mine off,
everybody
it's black.
on that video.
Where do I go?
I have to use Skype.
Well, actually, it shouldn't be that complicated. You gotta get back to your screen. You gotta get back here. Continue. Continue. Hold on. I don't know why it's not doing it. It should be coming up. It should be coming up like hers. Okay, so the common denominator is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. 125 times 3 is 375. Okay? So 375 is your common denominator. And 125 will go into 375. There's 125, 3 times. 3 times 17 is 51. Somebody help me out there. And 75 is 3 times 25. We'll go in 5 times. 5 times 23 is 115. And 15 will go into 375, 25 times. 25 times 14, well, what's 25 times 10? 250, right? And 25 times 4 is what? 100, so that'd be 350. 25 times 14, somebody check it out. What's 25 times 14? I'm asking y'all. Well, 15 minutes later. Huh? It's 350. So now you just add those 3 together.
Only 10 people be able to get numbers like this.
Yep, bigger. Try to fail you. What's 350 plus 50? 400. 400 plus 100 is 500, and then 15 plus 1 is 16, so 516 over 375. That is a good test question. Huh? Not exactly, but it's one like it. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to hit similar answer. We're going to do a nerd.
don't mind if they're not reduced.
Right now, that's not my priority. My priority is that you're able to do this. And a lot of people say reduce, that needs to be a mixed number. Mixed numbers is not reducing. The only reason you need a mixed number is if you're measuring something, like cups, quarts, miles, measurement, anything. You leave it like that. Now reducing is if 2 could go into 516 and 375, but since 1 is even and 1 ends in 5, the only thing you can divide into 5 is what? 5. So I don't think that's reducible. You only use mixed numbers in units of measurement. Over 375. So it is reducible. Only thing I can think is 3. Divide the top by 3 and the bottom by 3. The only number I can think to go into those two numbers. $172 over $125, yeah, 3. Oh, they did? Okay, so let's do a nerd. Here it is. I'll blow it up for you, since y'all can't see. $40, $50, $60. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. 2, 20, 25, 30, 5, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 5, 1, 1, 3, and 3, 1, 1, 1. Got some hundreds in there, or got some tens. There's a 10. And there's a 10. What's 10 times 10? And what's 2 times 3? So what's your common denominator? What's 6 times 100? 600. How many times will 40 go into 600? We'll go over here and knock 40 out. What's 40? 8 times what? 8 times 5. So boom, 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 boom. How many times? What's 5 times 3? 15 times. 15 times 1 is? How many times will 50? Well, where's 50? 5 times what? 5 times 10, well that's 2 times 3 times 2, what, 12? And 12 times 11? 132. Y'all check me. How much? Okay, how many times will 60 go into, now y'all can do that. 10 times 7, might be you can use your calculator. 70. $15 minus 130 is negative 115, plus 2 is negative 117, right? Y'all check my math. And then 117 minus be negative 187 over 600. Y'all check me. $15 minus 132 minus 70. What do you get? It's a miracle. Now you might be able to divide that by 3. 3 will go into 18 6 times. But no, I don't think you can. 5 maybe. Nope. That's why I'm not worried too much about your. I'm more worried about you being able to do it more than I am you getting the negative 187 over 600. No, that's the same question. See if we can get one more good one out of this one. Not, we'll go to the next question. Yep, we'll go to the next question. Next question. Ma'am? It was different, but it had the same denominators. A little bit. Yeah. Well, we could do that one, but I was wanting to move on to another test question maybe. That's multiplication, but we ain't done that yet. We ain't done that yet either. Let me find another one or I'll just make up one.
And we won't do that.
Huh?
Go and say, and we're not going to do that.
I'm going to give you plenty of questions. There's one. Let's do that one. Okay, we'll do that. No, that one's too easy. Where's the one I saw? We did that one, right? Okay. All right, that's a good one. We hadn't done that one. You're going to get a lot of these 3 fraction problems. You're going to get a lot of those. I'm not here to coddle you. I don't want you to end up at a cash register and you don't know you butt from a hole in the ground after you've been in my class. What's this for? What's this 6 cents for? Playing.
No, I'm talking to my, they sent me pictures of them in the hospital.
Oh.
You don't see how close they are.
No, I'll let you enjoy that.
I'm not enjoying it.
I know, I'm just saying, I'll let you have that. I was gonna say, you could do like your granddaddy used to do. He would do that in church. He
I
would,
think it was appropriate for class, but I do that.
he would do that in church.
Oh,
People would be like, turning around looking at him. He didn't care. My daddy used to call him CD the Cowboy. He'd call him CD the Cowboy. CD, Cowboy. My daddy thought the world of him. Huh?
I did too.
He was a good guy.
Your mom was talking about her hip the other day.
I know, I heard.
So,
She's let off the bottle. I don't need to go by and tell her that. Next time I go by there, I'm going to stop by and tell her she needs to lay off.
with your caramel.
With my caramel martini. I might bring her a caramel martini.
That's funny because she's like never.
Oh gosh, she's like Aunt B. She won't even let rum cake in the house. $10.50, $1.25. $10.50, $1.25. Well, this is kind of hard not to start off with 5. 2, 10, 25. 2, 1, 5, 25. 5, 1, 1, 5. 1, 5, 1, 1, 1. Ah, there's our 10. 10 times what? 25 is 250, Hubert. Thank you, class. Y'all see how easy fractions are? I mean, honestly. Now, how many times will 125 go in there? You don't know. So you go over here and you say 125, 5 times 5 times 5. How many times? 2 times. 2 times 79. 2 times 80 is 160, so that'd be 158. How many times will 50 go into 250? So you go over here and take 50 out. 50 is 10 times 5. How many times? 5 times 1. How many times will 10? 25. 25 times 1. Look at there. 5, that's 30. 30 plus 160 is 190. Back off 2 would be 188. Now, is that reducible? Yes, because they're both what? Even. So, what is that? 94? No. That'd be 94 over 125. Somebody help me out. Now let's do something. Let's do another one. I'm gonna make you do these things till you are sick of doing them. I know, because I'm a bastard. Over 125. Look at there. Good job. I feel good about myself. I'm not. Well, go ahead and do that one. It's got bigger numbers. Go ahead. Same. Is it the same? Yeah, but look at the numbers. The numbers are bigger. So I'm going to take my handy dandy eraser, and I'm going to erase this one, and this one. Now do it. The denominator is not your problem. The numerators are your problem. You have to think big. Put those calculators away. You don't need a calculator to multiply 2 times 23. All right, how many times will 125 go into 250? 2 times 23 is 46. 50 will go into 250 how many times? 5 times 23 will stop. What's 5 times 20? 100. What's 5 times 3? So 115. Also 5 times 20 is 100, yeah, 115. How many times will 10 go into 25? Come in 250. 25 times. 25 times 3, what's 3/4? It's amazing. I ask people what 5 times 25 is, and they'll reach for a calculator. I ask them what 5/4 are, and they say it's $1.25. Now y'all figure that out. 115 plus 75, that's 190, isn't it? Yes, Hubert. Thank you, class. All right, that's 190 plus 10 will be 200. So that'll be 236. And that's going to be what? 118? 118 over 125? Y'all check me on that. This is just like a musical instrument. You do 2 or 3, you're going to suck at it. You do 200 or 300, you're going to get good at it. So this separates the men from the boys. The ones that are going to work, the ones that's not. Now, if you're good at them automatically, then you ain't got to worry about it. But if you suck at them, you need to do more. So don't raise your hand and say, "You're talking about me." Shut up. Be quiet. You don't need to say anything like that. Nah, look at there. Well done. We feel good about ourselves. You do 5 or 6 of those, then when you get to one of these, what do you think? Piece of cake. Let's do this one. 3/11 plus 1/5. No. No, it's not right. That's the common denominator. 11 will go into 55 how many times?
What?
You got to convert. 11 will go into 55. You're not doing what I'm doing.
That's the part I'm lost.
Give me a pencil. What did I write down here? I put 2 55s.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I remember now.
This part's hard though.
11
Okay,
will
what are
go
you
into
doing?
55 how many times?
5,
5 times 3.
15,
5 will go into 55.
11,
11 times 1.
11.
Now you're ready to add.
Okay.
That same process every single time. Ditch box down by the river. All right, let's see what happens. 5. Five and 11. Well, that's pretty simple. 5, 1, 11, 11, 1, 1. So 55 is our common denominator. Eleven will go into 55. How many times? 5 times 3 is 15. 5 will go into 55. 11 times 1 is 11. Bang old 26 over 55. Now tell me adding and subtracting fractions are not easy. Huh? They're not. They're not difficult at all. As long as you know how to do it. But tell me this. How many teachers have ever taught you how to do it like that? Very few. Huh? Well, very few teach it like that because they don't have enough time. They're too busy coaching for tests. Yep. Yeah. And that's the way it usually happens. But we're going to do some more. So we're going to do them till y'all are sick of them. So let's do another one. I usually spend 2 or 3 days on these. No. No. Your mother and her help comes after math. I think everybody's here today except for one person. 2, 3. Okay. Well, we're going to continue to work on these, okay? So
We're gonna and do what 5-2.
5-2 I'm going to cover tomorrow, so or Thursday.
Don't worry about homework.
You can work it if you want to. It's just positives and negatives, which y'all already know that from pre-algebra, so
Okay.
you should be able to do it. Ten, 12, 2, 5, 6, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1. There's that 10. 2 times 3 is what? 6, Hubert. Thank you, class. 6 times 5, 6 times 10 is what? 60. How many times will 10 go into 60? 6 times 7 is 42. How many times will 12 go into 60? 5 times 11 is 42 minus 52 is negative 10. So add 3 to negative 10, what do you get? Add a negative 3, you get negative 13. Y'all check me. What? Actually, this one was harder than the last one because it's negatives. 13 over 60. Okay. How many times will 10 go into 60? How many times? 6 times 7 is? How many times will 12 go into 60? 5 times. 5 times 11 is 55. 1, you have to get a common denominator. 2, you have to change the numerators. You can't just add the numerators and subtract them. You've got to change them first. If you change the denominators, you've got to change the what? The numerators. Always. Okay? Let's do a narrative. That's multiplication. We haven't covered multiplication yet, so I'm just going to do another one. Go backwards. All right, try that one. Nine, 36. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, sometimes 13. 3, 12. 3, 1, 4. 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. What's 9 times 4? 36. Good. Good. How many times will 9 go into 36? 4 times 5 is? How many times will 36 go into 36? 1 times 5? Your answer is 25 over 36. Now what I ought to do is assign some of these problems to do at home. We could call it, I don't know, homework. Maybe people would do them at home and learn how to do them. What do y'all think? It'd be a pretty good idea, wouldn't it? I think I might do that. Call it homework. Huh? What? I know. I'm being sarcastic. So let's make up some that are hard, because y'all don't want to do all the easy ones. Y'all want to do some hard ones, so y'all can be challenged in case you see them on the test. So let's do a couple of hard ones. Let's see what time it is. I got 10 minutes. We'll do one. How about 3 over, no, I don't want to make it 3. Make it 7. 7 over 15 plus 4 over 25 minus 3 over 105. Yeah, I'd quit. I wouldn't even try it. Too difficult. While y'all do that, I'll call the roll. gonna fail the class just because she wasn't here. It's her mama's fault. Huh?
She's really good at math.
And she's still gonna fail. I'll give her an F. I have the power. Math 155, set attendance 4, today is the 1st. Okay, Miss Brown is here, Bookhart's here, Burton was here, Byers, okay, Dawson is here, Eastridge, Loey's here, Martin's here, Shoemaker, I think that's the two that wasn't here, Story and Telford's here. Y'all give up yet? So, 15. Oh, it's still on frozen. $15, $25, and $105. 5, be 3, 5. 5 will go in there 2 times. 21. 3. 1, 5, 7. 5, 1, 1, 7. 7, 1, 1, 1. Oh, I don't have a. I got a 5. Wait a minute. No, I don't want that. I want that 5 times 5. Why do I want 5 times 5? Because 25, that's your quarters. If you don't know how to add quarters, then something's wrong. So I'm going to use that 5 and that 5 right there. And I'm going to say to myself, okay, 5 times 5 is 25. 25, what's 25 times 7? What's 7 quarters? $1.75. $1.75 times 3. What's $1.75 times 3? Well, let's take this in stride, all right? $1.75 and $1.75 is what? 3 what? 3.50. Then add another $1.75 to it. 5 what? Good job. So 525 is our common point. Say what? You didn't? It's not funny. Now, how many times will 15 go into 525? We'll take out the 15. How many times? What's 5 times 7? Huh? 35. That's how you say 35. You don't say 30. You don't say 35. 35 times 7 is what? 165? Y'all check me. Huh? Okay, 245 then. Let me get back. 245? We'll do that again. 15 is going there. 35. Oh, 3 times 7 is 21. That's fine. All right. How many times will 25 go into 525? 21 times. 21 times 4 is 84. How many times will 105 go into 525? 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. 245 plus 80 is 325 plus 4 is 329. 329 minus 15 is 314 over 525. So if you got 314 over 525 without a calculator, I'm very happy with you. Okay? No, it doesn't. It makes you stupid. It makes you stupid. Now, if you do it and you check it with a calculator, that's different. And I'm not saying you, I'm saying it makes us stupid. It makes everybody stupid. That's why you don't see me using one up here. I'm serious. It makes us stupid. And you need to get to where you can do basic numbers. These are basic numbers. You should be able to do them with a calculator. I mean, without a calculator. See? Not fussing, I'm just telling you. I know. It takes a long time for somebody to bench press so many pounds. So it takes time. All right, y'all get out of here. Have a good day. I got to cut off all these do-jiggers. Let's see. I got to cut several of these things off. Cut this off.